This is a short screencast based upon the web archiving tool Web Recorder. Web Recorder will allow you to select and archive websites, entire websites, and it's it gives you a link when you're done to share with other people, so nobody's bandwidth is being eaten alive by this. So this is a web recording from my Nuzzle newsletter for Saturday, March 25th, 2017, the first week of spring. So you simply go to this site up here, go to the URL. It's kind of out of the picture right now, but it's there. And then once you're there, you click on the first link. And it takes you to the first website. And you'll notice everything is there, although this is a site that you actually have to sign in, so I've kind of gotten past the sign in to show you this. This is a great tool, a paper centrifuge. And then you just go back up here at the top of the page and you click on that to take you to the next site. So these are just all of the sites I use for my Nuzzle newsletter. Let's see if it logged in for me. Yep, it's going to make me sign in. That's okay. I'm logged in here. Go to the next site. This is about that very cool crater that's beginning to form in Siberia from the bubbling up of methane from the permafrost, or what they call up there now permaslush. And it all started with deforestation. Funny how that is. Atlas Obscura, I got this from there, and this is a website, or from Stephen Downs, I can't remember. This is a web search. This is crowdsourced web search, and you do have to install it. If you'll notice over here, you can install this. It's free. Here. I just chose this one. I've installed it. It's pretty cool. And next, the Scholars Cooperative. Many of my students, when they do research, if the university doesn't have it, or if you're just not affiliated with the university, you have to kind of slink around and try to find articles that are not paywalled. In other words, they're not behind, not in the invisible internet. And this is a new tool called Unpaid Wall, and I believe it's a it is a Chrome extension. I'll have to look that up. But it's great that there are new tools that help you get past those paywalls, which is a sin anyway, because most of the research that's been done is paid for with public money and should be public research. And last but not least, a really interesting article by Richard Brown on something called eliminativism. And I don't understand it, but it kind of rings true for me, that resonant little ring in the back of your head that says pay attention. Okay, that's just a quick run through of the stuff that I thought was interesting for my newsletter. If you like this, just let me know at TelliowWKUWP on Twitter, TELLIOWKUWP, or just email me at terry.elliott@gmail.com. Elliott has two L's and two T's. Thanks.